Hey everybody, Silverman Adventures here. Peace, how y'all doing? Just wanted to start off this video. I just got back from my vacation in Inglewood with my youngest daughter and the grandkids. And it's a pretty good vacation if I knew how to walk. You might have watched on Instagram. I was going down the steps. The first day, first 2 hours I was there, it rained and I was going down these stairs. I said, I shouldn't go down barefooted. Shouldn't go down barefooted. I did the last 2 steps, I crashed. Whack my arm, whack my foot. My shoulder surgery is killing me, so I don't get that x-ray to make sure I didn't pop that out or whatever, just to make sure. But I still managed to do the 4 days without griping too much with the kids down there and just endure it. So in other words, I'll probably be all right, but I'm gonna get it checked out. So I just had my coffee, just got back home yesterday from the 4 days with them. Loved it, beautiful time. Except the wind killed us. In the video I'm gonna show you, let you watch. A friend of mine caught all the fish and I watched. I tried to catch him, I caught a couple, but he just boom, 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 he was catching them. So Mr. Ruben, appreciate you taking me out on your boat. You and Mr. Travis on his boat, the other video. So we went out there, he caught the fish and I watched. But I saved his life from a wild bird, so you'll see that in the video. Otherwise guys, hope you enjoyed my videos and please subscribe, hit the thumbs up and all that good stuff. Just got done having breakfast, reading my favorite book that my special friend gave me a long time ago. And I apologize to people that might have got a phone call from my phone. I think my grandkid got a hold of my phone and started calling people the other day when I left it on the counter. So if I didn't call you guys. So if you got a phone call and nothing happened, it might have been my kiddo doing that, my youngest one, Jackson. Or when they up my phone updates, same thing happens. The phone gets just crazy. In other words, guys, okay, if you got family, you're blessed. I got family, I'm blessed. If special friends, I'm blessed. Love y'all. So okay guys, let's get into the video. Enough of me yapping. Peace, we'll see you later, bye. Okay guys, Silverman Adventures here, PG. I'm here with my granddaughter Allison and Ruben again. He caught a jack, first couple catches. I'm trying to whopper to see if anything bites this thing. Oh, they tried to get it. They just tried to get mine. Just tried to get it. It's a top water, guys. I want to see if they try and get this thing. Try the famous voodoo in a second here. Yeah, if they don't bite this that fast, they're not going to bite this one, so. Got something, guys. Ruben skunked me already, so I had to catch on to. Feels pretty good. That's a red, bluefish. It's big enough to eat. You only got to be 12 inches or 11 inches. Look at that. Yeah, I got in the fish rules there. Look out, kiddo. Look out. No, don't. Watch your rod, because if something bites my rod, that jerks it out of the boat. Let go of that thing. Pompano. Lady fish time, guys. Ruben just caught another jack.
Do you want me to get the next time so it drop off?
There you go, Al.
Yeah.
Chomp that. Okay, guys, we're recording. Yep, caught it. Ruben caught one, I caught one, so they're all over the place back here.
Can I throw my net over there? Because I want to catch something.
When I reel catch. Yeah. GoPro, start recording. Real. It's Jack City, guys. Allison's got one. Grandpa's got another jack. Grandpa got another jack. You got him, Al? You got him? Yep, you got him. A double up, Grandpa Andrew.
You're the one who went on the hook.
All right. Hear him talking to you? He grunts at you.
Yeah. Smack.
Guys, we're going to a different spot. Here's the bathing beauty. Say hi. Going back down to the snapper spot. So we'll be there in a minute, guys. He ain't gonna help.
Yeah, he's gonna eat all the fish.
Okay, guys, got another. We just come back to another spot.
I mean, there's fish here.
Okay, you're wrecking a video, kid. Trying to get the dolphin on here for you. Just seen a bunch of snook, guys, like big, good size. Right here. I don't know what they were. Is he? Oh yeah. There he is, guys. Dolphin again. Hopefully he comes closer, huh?
Yeah, so you can see his little face.
There he is. Right there, in between us. I like that sandy spot right there. Probably a catfish. What did I tell you? Oh guys, no bites for a long time, but Old Faithful will show up and give you a tug. Ruben finally got one. He has to make me look bad. Oh, there you go. Hold him up, Rube. Mini size. They're there. Better than nothing, guys. Okay, guys.
There's another one right behind it. Throw it out there.
Wait.
Barracuda behind it.
They're really trying to get him.
Barracuda.
Okay, guys. Ruben got another one, 2 in a row.
You're a little bit.
Yep. Barracuda was trying to get him.
Bigger.
Ruben's killed him. 3-0.
Bigger. Good.
Okay, see, Mr. Ruben caught another one while the battery was changing, and then caught another one. All undersized. He keeps doing that. What, you know, where you see where he's standing, guys. He could be taking a dip real quick. Making me look bad. I put the same kind of lure on, nothing. Mirrodine, nothing. I got nothing biting my stuff. He caught another one, guys. Okay, guys, finally, me. Finally. Let's see how much he is just for the heck of it. 13 inches, guys. 13 inches for my little trout. There he goes. Cool. Bye, dude. Thanks for 4 hours worth of 5 hours worth of nothing. And there he goes again. I'm not talking to you anymore. That's something, guys. It's jack, like a jack, feels like. Yeah. What did you say? Well, guys, we're quitting. And they had to give me something to quit about. Stinking catfish. Oh, there's my buddies. Keep going. Well, disaster. He caught them all. I caught a catfish, pompano, and one trout, right? That was it. Better than nothing, guys. Okay, peace. We'll see you later. Bye. Okay, guys, there's the pomp I caught this morning. It's like 14 at the forks. So, little pomp, guys. First fish I caught in the morning at 8. It's like 1:30 or more now. I caught one more trout and crazy, you know what? Look at guys right here. Look in the water. Look at this big giant snook right there. Look at that thing. You booger, you. Big old snook right there. Well, guys.
You're downwind there.
Yep. I got the camera. Oh, go ahead and up with me and my granddaughter for a while.
There you go. I like that character.
Know how much meat they got in little boogers.
Oh, it's pretty good.
See what it looks like inside there. I'm sponsored by nobody, guys. We spent 6 hours out there, and I walk up to the dock and I got it on film of a 32-inch snook. Looked like about 15 pounds swimming right underneath me. All right, it's like some white meat in there. Look at that. Good old white meat in there. A little bit bloody.
Sometimes they say you bleed them.
I bleed everything every time I go. There's a small set of pin bones. Got more meat on it than it looks like. Yeah, him and his son caught all the trout before he got here,
I
guys.
think so.
Alrighty, look at that, guys. Not bad. Snagged. There was a piece of wood out there somewhere. Oh, you know, you got a fish. Got the fish and the weeds. We got. Stupid.
Get me.
He tried to take it out into midair. You see that, guys? We got attacked by a cormorant. I had to save Ruben's life. He was coming. He wasn't going. He was going to get that dead in the midair.